here with Richie, and we're doing the decay process on this mini split. We're verifying that we don't have moisture inside the copper lines. So we got our vacuum, we got our micron gauge that went off, and it's been 5 minutes. And then let's turn this guy back on. It was 150, so we're 465, 462. So that tells me that we need to run the vacuum a little bit longer, because what we want, even though it says 1000 microns, I would like to keep it at 500 after the decay process, because if we don't do the decay test, the consequences will be reducing cooling efficiency, because that's kind of like telling us that there is a leak. It will create sludge, moisture, and oil. They can, make this thick thing inside of your copper lines and cause issues. It will also create acid formation. Moisture and refrigerant are going to become acid, and acid is not good for the compressor. And then at the end of the day, compressor will run too hot to the point that one day it's gonna just shut itself down. So I'm just making this video. If this guy stays below 500 after 10 minutes, will be just fine. But this is very important test. Please, if you're watching this video, stick to the test. It's very important to protect the equipment, and gain your reputation locally. So I hope this video finds somebody over there, and let's continue the best practice. Thank you.